Most of you don't even care about the designing process when it comes to print on demand. You just make a design as fast as possible and expect to sell it. Even if you find a 10 out of 10 niche, still your design is what's gonna make you stand out among the others. That's why in this video I will show you 5 design styles that are proven to make hundreds of sales and will be the reason to increase your sales as well. I'm gonna be using Kittle in this video to show you the exact process to design these styles, and even if you're just a beginner in designing, that's not gonna be a problem. The first style is the Groovy Design. This without a doubt is the best selling style in this year so far. Every niche you could work on, you will find people selling with this type of design. So here we are on Kittle, and it's unbelievably simple to make this type of design. All you gotta do is come up here to the search bar and simply look for wavy. Then you will see all the Groovy designs that you can use as templates. For example, let's take this one and click on use this design, and here you can edit everything from the text to the colors and the graphics to suit your niche. I'm gonna take second grade Boo Crew t-shirt design as an example for this style, and now to replace the text just double click and change it. So first we got second, then grade, then Boo and Crew. I also want to change the colors to something that relates more to Halloween. I got this color palette, and to change the text colors I will first copy the color code like this, then go back and select my text. And in your right hand corner you will see the color options when you can replace your color code right here and press enter. Just like that the color is changed. Same exact thing with the second text, copy this code, then select grade and go replace the color code. And here you go, the design is already looking perfect. But I want to replace this Halloween bat graphics with a pumpkin. And guess what? You get graphics as well here. Let's delete the bat vectors first by clicking delete in your keyboard. So to get that pumpkin graphic, let's go here to elements in your left corner, and I'm gonna look for pumpkin. Alright, let me see some cute looking pumpkin graphic, cause this is a second grade design. This t-shirt is targeting kids. Anyway, I like this graphic right here. Just click it and it will appear in your design. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, then drag it right here. I can also change the colors of this graphic to the same colors as the text, so it can blend more together. So get this, when you click any element in Kittle, you can change its colors. Here is the pumpkin colors in your right corner. To change them, the same concept as the text. Click any color and change it from the text. And voila! Now I will duplicate this graphic by holding Alt on the keyboard and drag it like this, right here. And that's your design. It took me less than 4 minutes. If I want to do this the normal way, I have to first find the graphics, then apply the wavy effects on the text in Photoshop. It's gonna take at least 15 minutes. That's why if you usually make around 4 designs an hour, with Kittle you will be able to make 10 and keeping the same quality, very time saving. By the way, you can start on Kittle for free by clicking the link in description and follow with me in this tutorial. And to export your design, just click up here, export, then the resolution that I use is 4500 by 5400, and don't forget to select remove background, then click on PNG. And check this out, I'm zooming here and it's keeping the same quality, it's not getting pixelated. Now the second style that sells well is the rainbow designs. Let's say I want to recreate something like this Be Kind t-shirts that have over 2000 reviews. Well, I will search this time rainbow here, and you can see all the different type of rainbow designs. For example, I will use this one, looks good for a short niche like we got. And what left to do is replace your text enjoy with be and sunshine with kind, and we can make it bigger like this. And that's it, a design in less than a minute. You can also change the colors if you like. Next style I got for you is the leopard designs. I don't see a lot of people use this style, even though it works on a lot of niches. The popular ones are the mom niches like this design, Mom Life, with over 400 reviews. Also works on the teacher niches like this one, Teach, Love, Inspire, with more than 100 sales the past month. Obviously the style is proven to work. So for this case I will create a design from scratch without a template. To create a text with the leopard skin on it like this, we're gonna use the letter mask feature. First you select the letter of your word. In my example I have to get teach, just like this, the T, E and A, C and H. Then to get the leopard skin graphic, I will use Kittle AI. Yes, they also got an AI, and the prompt will be simple. Let's say for example leopard skin, just like that, and you can see the image styles right here, which I think are perfect for print on demand. In my case I will look for a pattern. Let's select this one and go ahead and generate image. And that's the result. It doesn't look like an AI generated image, and that's what I exactly want. So first, duplicate this graphic. We need to use each graphic for each letter. Now to apply it on the text, just drag it in the top like this, and we want only to cover half of the letter, so double click and adjust it like this. And click once again to choose a color for the text. I will go with black, and just like that you got the effect. The same exact process with the letter E. Drag it in the top and adjust it and change the letter's color. And that's the final result. Now we just gotta add the rest of the text. Love inspire. So click T on the keyboard and type in love and choose something like a script font. I'll go with this one called the Saulis or something like that. Looks good. Now duplicate the text and type in inspire. I will also need a heart graphic. So in the image AI generator, I will type this time hand drawn heart. And in the styles, I'll choose this silhouette from here and generate image. And that's a pretty good looking heart graphic. Let's place it right here. And this design, even though I made it from scratch, took me around 5 minutes to make it. The retro templates in Kittle are kinda special, not the usual retro circle designs that we're used to. They are more unique, from the text styles to the graphics. As you can see here, I typed in retro in the search and the results are just something else. For example, let's edit this, best mom in the world, and you can easily just scale this design idea, like we could replace mom with son, or maybe dad, you know, all the family members. And even you can sub-niche more in this idea, like instead of making it a broad design that targets all dads, we can specify who's targeted by this niche. Like, let's remove these flower graphics and go to elements and look for a baseball graphic to target only a baseball dad. So I will take this graphic right here and place it like this, and I will change the red color of the graphic to the one in the text, just like this. And finally duplicate this baseball graphic and place it right here. You can do this with any sport or any profession. It's a scalable idea, you can do a lot of designs. But don't forget when you upload in your keywords to target, in my case, baseball dad keywords or whatever niche you worked on. So that was the unique retro templates, but also you can find the usual retro designs that we're used to if you searched for sunset. And you can see a lot of unique ideas as well, unique sunsets. Like for example, I will use this design right here, and let's say I want to work on this niche. I'm only talking to my cat today. So let's start by replacing the top text by I'm only talking. Then increase the text size from here. I think that's enough. And here type in my cat today. I will remove the text in the bottom and also the graphics inside of the sunset, so I can replace them with a cat graphic. So go to elements and look for cat in the search, and let me see, we can get this one, looks good. Of course I will change the black color to the dark blue in the background, and this is perfect. Another cool way in using Kittle is, let's say you found a great niche, but these styles are already dominating that niche and you want to bring a new design to the table to have a unique design. Well, you can simply come here to the t-shirt section to get thousands of t-shirt templates that you can easily edit like I showed you earlier. I mean, you will easily stand out if you put some time to find a good template from these that of course aligns with your niche. Like, don't target a second grade niche and make a vintage design style. Well, I don't know, maybe that work, but in general try to know that niche audience to make a style that they like. And don't forget the link to try Kittle for free is in description. It actually saves a lot of time in designing, especially with finding good graphics to use.